Thanks to everybody who have watched my shows and to those who have supported me. I'd like to welcome you all back, family, again, as one again. I hope now you can take your pen because now it's gonna get very tough here. Understand? As I said, you are not a Christianity, you are not a apostle, you are not anything that is fallen under the name of the church. You are not even what Jesus Christ church. That's not you. Understand? I don't know, this video is gonna put me in trouble or it's gonna put me to some good love. You understand? I hope it's gonna support some good energy, because I'm not lying about this. There's so many people who died. I'm speaking about the white people even. Understand? I'm speaking about the white people. Some they have cut their tongues, some they are banned because of this information that I wanna receive now. I wanna relieve now. We understand? Now it's getting to somewhere else. This is the truth about you. This is the truth about you. I ain't talking lie here. Understand? So we're gonna focus here. You see those planets here? You see your 7 realms that you're carrying inside. The realm that is in your head, it's where Lucifer stays. In your head. That's not where Jesus stays. Remember, Jesus said, I come through the clouds. I am the light. Who is Jesus? Jesus is the Son. The realm that you're carrying inside of your head is where Lucifer stays. Understand? The Bible was created in Latin church. Peter, in the Bible, he's known as Jehovah, your God. Understand? You are not going to the church to praise God. You are going to the church to praise who's in your head, Lucifer. You are not bringing the light to yourself when you praise. You bring in the darkness that Lucifer has taught you to praise. This teaching, it was hidden through the pyramid. The Latin church, it came from the planet called Saturn, because it is run by Satan. Remember, you have Earth, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, all this. Look at the Satan planet. Is what is being created for you to follow the instructions. Men who follow me on my everywhere, like I would want to say which program, the truth is coming out. I hope you'll follow. I hope you'll follow, guys.